The next question is, in figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 cm and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. So it is given that ABC is a quadrant. ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 cm. That means AC is 14 cm, AB is also 14 cm. And a semicircle is drawn with the BC as diameter. BC as diameter, there is a semicircle drawn. And we have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, to find the area of the shaded region, what we have to do is, can you guess what we can do? Actually, if I am taking or if I am cutting off AB and AC, what will be the rest portion? The rest portion looks like this, isn't it? That is actually the full portion. This portion is a semicircle because BC is the diameter. With the BC as diameter, we are drawing a semicircle. So, if BC is the diameter, the full drawn figure is a semicircle. From this semicircle, if we need to find the area of the shaded region, what we have to do? So, if I am taking this point, the middle point as O, OB is a radius and OC is another radius. Okay, BC is the diameter and the bigger circle is drawn with the BC as diameter. That means the full figure is a semicircle. From this semicircle, if I want to find the area of the shaded region, what should I do? What I should do is, I have to find the area of the semicircle and from that I have to subtract the area of the unshaded region. Okay, I have to find the area of the semicircle. From that I have to subtract the area of the unshaded region. So coming back to this figure, same case, isn't it? Same figure I have drawn here without joining A and C to, B and C to A. So here also what we have to do is, from area of the semicircle, from area of this, I am avoiding these two. So from area of the semicircle, I want to subtract area of the unshaded region. Area of the unshaded region with respect to the full figure is actually segment. Isn't it? Area of the unshaded region, this unshaded region, if I am pointing a point as P, BPC is actually a segment. So what should I do is, to find the area of the shaded region, from the area of the semicircle, I should subtract area of the segment. Okay, area of the semicircle, what will be the diameter? Diameter is BC and its half will be the radius of the bigger circle. And if I want to find area of the segment, there also I need a radius. Which will be that radius? That radius will be AC. Okay, AC which is 14. So if I need to find the diameter length of BC, what should I do? This is angle 90 degree because it's a quadrant. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So this side square plus this side square will give you the third side square according to the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square, isn't it? So first we will calculate BC square. BC square is equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, it is AC square plus AB square. AC is the radius, it is given as 14 square plus 14 square, which gives you 2 times 14 square. So we need only BC. BC is rooted 2 into square root of 2 is rooted 2 and square root of 14 square is 14. BC is actually the diameter of the biggest circle. So the radius will be BC divided by 2, which is equal to 14 rooted 2 by 2, which is 7 rooted 2. Okay. Again, 7 rooted 2 is a value smaller than the radius of the given radius 14. So we can take the radius as smaller one and the bigger radius as the given radius, which is 14 centimeter. Okay. So what we have to do is, area of the shaded region will be equal to, area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of segment. So look, area of semicircle, what's the formula? Area of semicircle, area of full circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle is half into pi r square minus, what about the formula to find area of the segment? Area of the segment is actually area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector, what's the area? Theta divided by 360 into pi, which are we have to take the given radius, isn't it? So pi r square minus area of triangle. Since it is 90 degree, we can take the area of the triangle as half BH. Okay, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Apply the values. Half into pi, let can take as 22 by 7 into this r is the radius of the bigger this circle. Okay, that is BC. That is the diameter, and half of BC we have calculated it as 7 root 2. That will be r. So 7 root 2 the whole square minus theta by 360. Theta by 360 means it will be, there is a bracket, 90 divided by 360 into, there also a 22 by 7 is there, into capital R. Capital R means it's the radius. This radius, the given radius, so 14 into 14. Again a minus, half into, which will be the base AC, that is 14 into height is AB, which is again 14. That is equal to. So the first term is 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 the whole square. 7 square is 49. Root 2 square is 2 minus 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 minus half into 14 into 14. So if I simplify, 2 and 22 get cancelled giving you 11. 7 and 49 get cancelled giving you 7. 90 times 90 into 4 gives you 360. 7 2 is 14. 2 into 2 4. This 2 and 22 get cancelled giving you 11. And for the third term, 2 and 14 get cancelled giving you 7. So the balance in the first term is 11 into 7 into 2 minus, I am opening the bracket with a negative sign. So first term is already positive in the bracket. So if I give the negative sign, it becomes minus, and the balance is 11 is there and the 14 is there. And the last term is already negative, and if I give this negative to the bracket, it will become plus 7 into 14. Okay, so the first term 7 into 2, 11 into 14 minus 11 into 14 plus 7 into 14. So 11 into 14 minus 11 into 14 gets cancelled, giving you 7 into 14. 7 into 14, 7 4 is 28. 7 into 1, 7 plus 2 gives you 98. 98 centimeters square is the area of the required region. Okay.